Alright guys, well, since there's nothing else to do today, and it's kind of nice out, I think I'll come out here and try to swap this RES standard radio out of the 2012 Dodge Avenger. And I have a replacement that's from a 2008 or 2009 Chrysler 200. They're both high-speed CAN bus cars, so the radio should swap in with no problem. It might have the Chrysler logo on startup, but it should change on its own to Dodge. But I guess we'll find out. Let's turn this off and pull the bezel off and swap it out and see what happens. It seems we turned the four-ways on. There we go. One screw out. Looks like it's only being held in there by two. That'll make it a little quicker. Almost there. Alright, go ahead and plug that in. Plug that in. And that in. Alright. Now, before I button everything up and put everything on, I'm going to turn it on and see if it actually works in this car. Alright, we got the Chrysler symbol coming up. Alright. Let's see, what do we got? FM. Alright, it works. Alright, well, we're going to go ahead and stop the video here, but put everything back the way it was, just as it came off, and project done. All right, thanks guys.